Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to activate developer options on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, activating developer options allows you to explore and learn more about how Android works. It's an opportunity to experiment with various settings and understand their effects on your device performance and behavior. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the settings menu on your device. Well, next you can scroll down the page and select about font option. Okay, so now tap on software information. After that, look for build number menu and tap on the option up 7 times. Okay, so the developer options were successfully active. And the way to find it, you can go back and you will find it at the very bottom here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to activate developer options on Samsung A35 5G device. If you all helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.